Pennsylvania here, and welcome to my garage. It is 22nd of March. It's currently 65 degrees out, and it is currently 88 degrees in my garage. And this is going to be on my tool time. The Kobalt high pressure air compressor gave up the ghost yesterday. It won't pump anymore. So I tried to take it back to Lowe's, and they couldn't find it in the system. So now I gotta go find the receipt on it, and then they'll replace it. But I swear I've only had this a year. So unfortunately, it was fantastic. You just punch the amount of PSI you want, and boom, it would go ahead and shut off when it hit that pressure. Used it quite a bit, so depending on how this system works in here, if it's a little piston, taking it, the rings have gone on it. Another thing is my Shoemaker jumper box has an air compressor. The only problem is the air hose rotted off of it. It blew at the air hose and rotted out. So keep that in mind. And it still charges up, but it's still, I don't think it's as strong as it should be. But now I've had it about 3 years, so I decided to go ahead and upgrade to the CEN-TECH 4-in-1. The jump start, 900 peak amps with a standard 330 cranking amps. We'll find out how this is going to work on this. This was $79. 12 volt, all kinds of little plug-ins. Got a work light, and it does have an air compressor up to 250 psi. So that was this. This thing's got a little work light to it as well, a USB plug, and that tells you whether it's charged or not. It works good to a point. I've been using it a lot for my winch system. So we're gonna see how this one works. I got to back up for that one now. Also, what I got was a same brand CEN-TECH charger. Now I've been using the I've got an older charger I've actually had for almost 30 years now. So I got to get this out because I'm going to get ready to use it. We're gonna go ahead and pull the Explorer out of here because it's been picking up run for the past month. Once I had everything underneath done, I needed to take it out, but I haven't had the chance to, so I'm going to be doing that, even though I haven't got it running yet. It starts, but it shuts down. So what we're going to do right now, I'm going to pull it out, get it in the other garage, so I can get the other vehicles in here. I got exhaust I got to do. I got 2 oil changes I got to do. So I need to get this out. It doesn't need to be on the rack to do what I need to do. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pull the intake off of it, and then I'm going to check the fuel injectors, all the vacuum lines, and what else? Yeah, basically the fuel injectors, and check all the vacuum lines, which I really didn't get a chance to check first time around. But back to the CEN-TECH portable jump box. It has a, is that a plug, or is that a, yeah, I think that's a plug. You got a plug system, or do you plug it? You set up to plug in a. The Shoemaker has got its plug on the back here. You just plug it in, plug a regular plug in the back of it, and then it charges it. This one looks like it's got its own charge plug-in port. Yeah, okay. You got a regular plug, and then you got a plug that's going to plug into the back of this thing. That's cool. But you might even have the option of just plugging it in. This is much heavier than this one, so which means it's probably got more cells. It's probably stronger when it comes to that. Let's see. Yeah, you've got a you just zip that over and then plug it in. So it's got a couple of okay, got your, this is your charging port. That's where your hose is. Push that down, push it back in. Get in. Okay. Let's see. Okay, you got your switch up here for your air compressor. Got your pressure gauge. And let's see what we got. What's what do we got? Green, red, go. Battery test. We're fully, looks like we're fully charged on this puppy. You see that? Awesome. USB with a little cover over that. Let's see, work light. Yeah, decent. Oh, awesome. If you're out on the road there, regular. You hit it again. Now you got blinking light. So if you're out on the road, you can do that. It's like you got dual plug-ins for portable charging. How long are the cables? Okay. Pretty long cables. Probably 4. Yeah, about 3 feet, 4 feet. When you compare it to the Shoemaker, you only got a foot. These got nice teeth on them, so they'll grab just about anything you want. Shoemaker's pretty. It doesn't even close all the way down. It's fine if you're gonna plug it on a battery terminal. That's great. If you're trying to hold on to anything, this one's definitely the way to go. So you wrap that up. You have to wrap it up a couple of times. Awesome. All right, so again, you got about 3 feet of cord on that thing. This is it's already coming to you fully charged. You jump it right out of the box and go to it. Because they really make being able to hook it up to my charger or winch is really important. You need to be able to get right to it. Emergency use only. Do not use the power package. Replace the battery. That's for. Well, maybe I haven't read these before, but do not use the pack to replace the car battery. Never jump a frozen battery. Do not attempt to jump a vehicle with non-rechargeable or defective batteries. Study the battery manufacturer's specification cautions of jumping it. Do not touch positive and negative battery clamps together. Yeah, you'll get a little bit of light there. Let's see. Make sure you connect it when the battery switch is off, and then you can turn it on. Let's see, about it. So you got, let's see, fluorescent light, 4 watts, 50 hours if you're just leaving it regular. Let's see, radio or fan or depth finder. About 26 hours. Video recorder or player spotlight, 14 hours. Small tools. Bilge pump, 8 hours. Electric cooler, 3 hours. Air compressor, 2 hours. So, let's see, using the air compressor, back of it, check proper inflation, and then position the inflator so the stem push down and lock it into place. Running in test button to verify the power pack is fully charged. Recharge is needed. Following instruction, charging battery apart. Make sure total wattage the applicant is within the range of the power pack. And let's see. That's about it. All right. So right now it's fully charged. That's about it. All right. They did have this is the newer pack. Harbor Freight was had the same. The older model was in the phasing out area for $69, but it was only putting out the 300 or it only had 600 peak amps instead of the 9, so I chose to get the other 300 starting amps, or peak starting amps. This has got 350, I think 350 coal. 350 coal starting. Know what it says? Yeah, 330 coal crank, and the 900 peak amps. So it's going to give you 900 the minute you turn that key. This battery here, I can't see. It's under this cover and I can't read it, but I'm pretty sure it'll start. I'm hoping it'll start just about everything I need to start. So anyway, there we go. I'll let you go. I'm gonna plug this in for a few minutes and see if we can get it. I want to get it charging a little more. I got both of them. I got both charged. Use the actual adapter for it, which is great. Yeah. Plug it in. Get that going. Okay, we got red. Okay, so it's going 1, 2, 3. Red, yellow, green. Red, yellow, green. Red, yellow, green. So what's the book say when she's fully charged? Just see what it says when it's fully charged. Let's see. Okay. You see, charging the power pack. Press and hold the battery button on the front until check battery light level comes on. Green is ready for use. Yellow needs to be charged. And red light should be charged immediately. Turn charging power off for initial use. Completely charge the pack. You have a 2-prong, 3-prong, or use a 3-prong outlet, side adapter on the 120 volt inside the power pack. Approximate AC charge time is 48 hours. Recharge is 30 minutes. Wow, okay. Charging indicator will illuminate in the form of red to yellow to green until while it is charging. Green indicator light will remain on after charging is complete. Battery power level must be checked periodically, and power pack power battery should be must be checked periodically when charging, and power pack must be unplugged when it is fully uncharged. So don't keep it charged, don't keep it plugged in when you're not using it, which I have a bad habit of. Failure to recharge power pack will void warranty. Recharge when the yellow light comes on while pressing the battery lighten after jump start, or once a month. Do not exceed maximum charging time. So there we go. I'm looking right at it, and it's green. So that battery pack is fully charged right now. That's awesome. It comes right out of coming right out of the box, fully charged. I can deal with that. So now I can unplug it. Fold that back in, and we're good to go. So now we'll jumper box in here, and I'll put the other charger box in the other garage, so I always have it and I can find a charger when I need it. My problem, I can never find anything when I want it. I got no organization skills. Okay. Okay, great. Because I can uncharge my slim light too. Let's see, what are you doing? You're fully charged too. Alright. Awesome. Okay, with that said, and now of course I got the CEN-TECH charger, and I'll do another one on that. Just not today. Wait till I use it. Okay, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. We'll catch you on the next in Crosby's Garage.